Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Bumble, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to Bumble app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors, so can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.